Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the sheet open and the cells chosen. Start by placing the cursor in the cell that will show the result. Type equals if, then click the condition cell so Excel inserts its reference. Explain why. Referencing prevents hardcoding and keeps results dynamic as values change. Once done, type the logical test, for example B2 and add the comma to move to the true result argument. Make sure strings are quoted and numbers are plain so Excel interprets them correctly. You now complete the IF by providing what happens when the condition is true. Type approved or reference C2. Explain why. Returning a reference keeps formatting and calculations consistent. Next, type the comma and give the false outcome, like declined or 0. If you need multiple conditions, nest a second IF in the false slot. This preserves a single evaluation path. Once done, close the parenthesis and press Enter. Then change the condition cell to confirm the formula reacts as expected. You finish by validating and hardening the IF. Wrap with isBlank to avoid blank errors or use and slash or to combine tests, which prevents false positives. Once done, convert formulas to values if you need a static snapshot. Copy then paste values. Make sure to explain why. This locks results for reporting. If something goes wrong, inspect the formula for extra commas, missing quotes, or wrong references. Use the formula auditing tools to trace precedents and quickly find the broken link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.